The amazing Amazon rainforest. Tropical rainforests live up to their name. They are forests where it rains a lot. In fact, a typical tropical rainforest receives between 150 and 400 centimeters of rain each year. They are also warm. Their temperature averages between 25 and 35 degrees Celsius, which is 77 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Rainforests are green year-round. Their hot, humid, and rainy climate is perfect for tall trees, vines, ferns, and other plants. The really thick parts of the rainforest are what we call the jungle. Tropical rainforests cover a small part, about 6% of the Earth's surface, but over half, 50% of the world's plants and animal species are found in them. Rainforests usually lie in tropical areas near the Earth's equator. Most of the world's rainforests are in Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America. The Amazon. The Amazon rainforest lies in South America. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It has more kinds of insects, plants, and animals than any other place on Earth. Every year, scientists discover new species of insects and plants here. The Amazon River flows through the heart of its rainforest. It's like a huge sea of fresh water. Thousands of other rivers and streams empty into it. Catfish, piranhas, and dolphins all live in the Amazon River. This book will take you on a tour of the Amazon rainforest. You will travel from the tallest trees to the rainforest floor. Along the way, you will meet an eagle, monkey, jaguar, and ant. You will even hear what these Amazon natives would say if they could talk. So just how big is the Amazon River? The Amazon River can be more than 48 kilometers or 30 miles across its widest point during the rainy season. It flows almost 6,437 kilometers or 4,000 miles to the Atlantic Ocean. Within its mouth is an island the size of Switzerland. The rivers, our piranha fish can grow to be 3 meters or 10 feet long and weigh 180 kilograms or 400 pounds. Its volume is greater than the next 8 largest rivers combined. From the Amazon Yearbook. Sloths are slow-moving animals. They seem to just hang out upside down in the trees. Sloths get covered in algae, which helps them blend into the forest. Sammy was voted most likely to survive, but least likely to succeed. The tapir is a big hoofed animal that is related to the horse and the rhinoceros. Tapirs often weigh well over 136 kilograms or 300 pounds. Tapirs like to take baths in the river and look for food when it's dark. Tamra was voted best personality.